St. Cloud, rapidly becoming one of Minnesota's major cities in the 1860s, gained a major coup when it was awarded the third state normal school, joining the colleges in Winona and Mankato. But where would it be located? The board visited 6 sites in the city, finally selecting the Stearns House, an imposing 3-story hotel in the lower town area. One important factor was the natural beauty of the location, situated on a high bluff overlooking a vast sweep of the Mississippi River. The city provided the surrounding 5.5 acres for the new school. Intended as a place to train teachers, the new college opened its doors in 1869. 10 years later, a remarkable woman, standing only 4 foot 10 inches tall, walked in to teach her first class. Before Isabel Lawrence retired in 1921, she had cast a long shadow over the campus. She introduced the concept of the model school, where students learn through practice and not rote learning. Nationally recognized for her books, Classified Reading and New Practical Arithmetic, Lawrence was one of the first in the United States to use intelligence tests, having read Binet in the original French. In 1899, the school renamed the women's dormitory in her honor. After it burned in 1905, the building was promptly rebuilt with Clarence H. Johnston Sr. as the architect. From the sunroom and the east side of the main parlors, there was a magnificent view of the Mississippi River. 10 years later, when President Waite Shoemaker unexpectedly resigned due to health concerns, the college board turned to Lawrence for guidance, naming her as the acting president of the college, a post that she held for 2 years. On her retirement in 1921, a fellow teacher said of Isabel Lawrence, "She was quick at everything, especially at understanding a situation and people. In her teaching, she acted on the belief that pupils should not be preached to or given abstractions, but led to look and to think. They should be shown real cases and led to draw their own conclusions and form their own rules." The first 2 generations of college buildings were built along this bluff, and Isabel Lawrence praised the educational benefits of the school's picturesque view down the Mississippi River. After World War II, with the student body bolstered by the veterans attending on the GI Bill, St. Cloud State expanded at a rapid pace, with new construction often turning its back on the river to the east. But in recent years, the university, through its science programs, has contributed to an increased understanding of the river. In 2003, Lawrence Hall was restored to its former glory, now home to the Lawrence Hall International Community, which brings international and American students together in campus housing.